viewers, I bring you greetings in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. I want to share with you on one word, and that word is validation. Validation. Talk about something being valid or invalid, but our emphasis now is on validation. Validation has to do with placing value on something or somebody or somewhere, receiving approval, authorization, certification, or confirmation. And we need validation from time to time. This word struck me recently, and I feel like sharing with you because we need to be validated. It's important we get approved instead of being disapproved. Remaining valid instead of invalid, remaining relevant instead of irrelevant. Validation makes us special. Validation makes us have a level of value placed on us, a level of importance and recognition, acceptance. All these go with validation. Validation boosts action, confidence, and delivery. Validation boosts action, confidence, and delivery. The word of God in Matthew chapter 17 verse 5, talks about Jesus. Heaven spoke, validating Jesus. It says, "This is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased. Heaven and earth should listen to him." Luke chapter 4 verse 18, Jesus Christ said, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, giving me power, he is anointed to go about." Without the Spirit of God, without the power of God upon the life of Jesus, his ministry would have been shallow and not valued. But the power of the Holy Spirit placed value on him and made whatever he did relevant and meaningful. Paul in 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 15 admonished Timothy and said, "Study to show yourself approved, a workman who needs not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth." And that is encouraging him to work towards receiving validation, not being disapproved. He should study to show himself approved, a workman who needs not to be ashamed. Therefore, he needs to do whatever he's doing very well. Jeremiah, in Jeremiah chapter 1, when God was calling him, said, "From the womb I chose you and anointed you." Jeremiah said, "But I'm only a child, I cannot go." In verse 7, God said, "No, you are not a child. Go, for I have called you. You should go before nations and stand before them." Brothers and sisters, be mindful of this. Work towards being validated. Validated by God, validated by man. We need validation for us to move forward, for us to progress, for us to make advances or advancement in whatever we are doing, wherever we find ourselves. Validation opens doors. Validation opens gates. Validation makes what is difficult for others easy for another. And so, may the Lord validate us. May you experience heavenly validation. And may men grant us acceptance and receive us, so that whatever we pursue or we desire in life will be granted unto us. God bless you in Jesus' name.